Representation of a histogram. What you see is that the horizontal axis represents the marks obtained by students. Also, look at the class intervals, which are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and so on. On the vertical axis, we have the number of students obtaining different marks and classified collectively in various groups. This way, we can see that the given histogram represents the number of students in various groups, classified according to the marks obtained. Now, the question is to find out how many students are there in the group of students obtaining the highest marks. To answer this, we must find out the group of students who have obtained the highest marks. In the histogram, look for the group of students obtaining marks between 90 and 100. How many students are there in this group? That is, what is the height of the bar? It is 2. So, there are 2 students in this group. Now, the next question is, in which class interval there are maximum students? To answer this, look for the highest bar, which is between 40 and 50. Therefore, we can say that maximum number of students fall in the group obtaining marks between 40 and 50. Look at the given table. This shows how the groups are formed. If you have obtained less than 30 marks, then you are categorized as fail. If you have obtained above 30 but less than 50, then you have got the third division. If you have obtained more than 50 but less than 60, you have got the second division. And if you have obtained more than 60 marks, then you have got the first division. Look at the histogram again. Let me ask you a question. What is the number of students who have got the first division? First division means 60 marks or more. What we do is we add 5, 3, 8 and 2 to get 18. That is, 5 plus 3 plus 8 plus 2 is equal to 18. So, there are 18 students who have got the first division. Now another question. What is the number of students who sat for the examination? Now, 7 plus 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 18 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 8 plus 2 is equal to 80. So, there are 80 students who sat for the examination. Now look at the class intervals. How many class intervals have equal frequency? To find this out, we must look for the bar graphs having equal heights. We see that the group between 0 and 10 and 50 and 60 have equal frequency, that is 7. Also, in the groups between 10 and 20 and 60 and 70, there is equal frequency, which is 5. Therefore, class intervals have 2 groups which have equal frequency. This way we see that we can get a lot of information from a histogram.